Rewatching any movie by Imtiaz Ali is like a bliss. Every time you see them, you could find a slight difference. His movies have some poetry around the corner, and 5 years ago, we witnessed the tamasha of our lives, mirrored in an Imtiaz Ali film. A film that almost mocks us by showcasing the monotonous life we have succumbed to. It is literally shouting at us, asking us to separate from the herd we have comfortably blended into. Tamasha is like a performance, and we are the performers who are dancing to the society's tune like a clown, and dare we not obey the rules set by society. It's only after we embrace what we truly are we can put an end to this tamasha. Even after all these years, the film is still effective and it continues to push us to write our own myth. Once Rumi said, "Do not be satisfied by the stories that come before you. Unfold your own myth." Tamasha is a celebration. Even in its tortured tone, Imtiaz Ali manages to respect his own craft, abiding by a story that might just be every man's struggle. It decodes every string in a person's heart, ponders over the problem of becoming a soulless robot, and pushes the boundaries of existentialism in a glimmering, colorful stage of life. Tamasha is a director's film. We see an old man, played by Piyush Mishra, narrating a story to a kid who doesn't believe in being the normal kid of the block. He is fascinated by stories and tries imagining and being in them. The film moves you around terrific looking stage plays and pieces where Imtiaz very meticulously confuses the audience that there is only one single story in the world and that every single story gets you to the same point. Then he cues you into the rather hypnotic and musical role playing couple who decides to have the time of their lives without getting acquainted. This film follows a non-linear screenplay and is an ode to all the hidden and long-lost artists who once had a dream that they relished when things weren't all that serious. Tamasha is a coming of middle-aged drama that walks you through the different set of emotions and setbacks. The love that was felt and lost. The muse that was needed to be but never did. It does not dig too deep into setting up the characters, but it's a big plus that the energy and the enigma of the two leading actors moves this film along quite efficiently. It's the kind of film where a lot of things are going on. If you haven't been through or at least seen and felt the emotional turmoil that an artist faces, it might be really hard for you to accept the film for what it is. But the fact that Imtiaz, who has been accused of making different versions of the same story, makes a story about exactly that. He makes it impossible for you to take your eyes off the living circus that goes on. Shot magnificently by S. Ravi Varman, Tamasha works hugely because of A.R. Rahman's music. Unlike most of what Bollywood has been doing, Imtiaz knows how to use his songs. The lyrics of each and every song which is written by Irshad Kamil has something for us and they have miserably beautiful meanings. Safarnama is a beautiful song about discovering oneself. Safarnama is an Urdu word for travelogue and here is used in the context of self-discovery. A song with little but meaningful lyrics elaborates the difference between safar and safar. The song Agar Tum Saath Ho depicts the feelings of a girl who tells how happy she would be if they are together, while the guy says it wouldn't matter because life is always a mess and would remain so even if they are together. This song is a perfect fold to the situation in which both the protagonists find themselves in. Deepika portraying Tara's broken yet concerned state, and Ranbir portraying Ved's inner struggle and frustration. Chali Kahani is the main theme song of Tamasha, where the protagonist tells about a love story which remains the same since all the time and going again and again in the same direction. There is no particular start or end to this story. And finally, Tu Koi Aur Hai is more of a poetry where a person is telling himself what he is and what he wants to be. Tamasha has intense and severe narrative drifts which might not be everyone's cup of tea. But if you are willing to hold back, you will realize that Imtiaz Ali has weaved his magic wand again. He has made a film that is a nice little tribute to life itself. So that's the video, guys. Do let me know your views regarding this video in the comment section. You can follow me on social media, the handle is right here in front of you. Do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for weekly content ahead. Until then, take care, goodbye.